want to show you how to do a box and whisker plot. This is a question on Delta Math, and I like it because it gives me a chance to manually enter in an answer and for it to check it. So you get to watch me do this problem live. I've got my quartiles calculator over here on one of my tabs, so we'll go there in a second, but we can go ahead and enter in the min value. Well, we can't enter it in actually. Okay, I'm testing this with y'all. But what we can do is, let's see. We're supposed to be able to click and drag these lines. Oh, it did do it. Just kidding. Computer's a little bit delayed here. All right, so our minimum is 6. Our maximum, this is nice, it's already in numerical order, is 19. So type that in. It's being really slow, I'm sorry. Okay, now what I want to do is I'm going to cut and copy and paste all of these numbers. Let's see if this works. Into our quartile calculator that we're using in class. Okay, whoop, it didn't work, did it? Oh man, let's see, let's try it one more time. You can hear the sounds of after-school children coming in. Okay, apologize for that. So here we go. We've got our quartiles calculated, and it looks like quartile 1 is at 9.5. So let's flip over here and enter that in. 9.5. Give it a few seconds to catch up. Try it again. Okay, and then let's see. I'm going to go over here and grab the median while I wait. Median is 10.5. There it goes. Okay. It's being really, really slow with Delta Math for some reason. Let's go ahead and get the third quartile. And it is 14.5. We can get it to work. Super duper slow here. Okay, I gave Delta Math a few seconds to get caught up. So now we'll go ahead and create the box plot by dragging the lines. All right, so their minimum is going to be at 6. So we need to drag that over. And we also need to drag this over. So let's go ahead and get that lined up. And then all these kind of need to scoot down. Oh, that doesn't need to go too much. So 10.5 looks about right there. 9.5 halfway in between 9 and 10. And I can bring this minimum up now to 6. There it is. Okay, and then let's see. Our Q3 is 14.5. And then the max is 19. That's already set. Okay, let's see if that works. Yes, we do want to submit that. Super slow, isn't it? All right, I can see the green check mark in the background, so we're good. All right, so one of the things we can talk about would be the interpretation of this a little bit, and hopefully we will address this in class as well. But the data on a box and whisker plot is actually divided up into quartiles, and it's called quartiles for a reason. Quartile, you think quarter, which is 25 cents, which is 25%. So the first 25% of the data is between your min and your first quartile. The second 25% set of the data is between these two sections. Then the third quarter of the data is between your median and your third quartile. And then the fourth quarter, the fourth 25%, is here between the third quartile and your maximum. The middle 50% of the data falls between 9.5 and 14.5. The middle of the data, the 50%, half of it, which means that most of it, the important stuff, is going to be there. All right, so that's how you would interpret that.